What is Innā, brothers and sisters? Harfu tawqid wa nasb. If you attached a pronoun to Innā, that pronoun becomes Ismu Innā. You can say Inna Muhammadan. So what is Muhammadan? Ismu Innā mansubun. Now if you say Innahu, who is Ismu Innā mansubun? Mansubun, brother. Okay. So in order to reinforce this in our mind, I have a little song, brother. Ready? Innahu, innahuma, innahum. So what did I say? Inna, harfu tawqid wa nasbin, and who? Ismu Innā mansubun. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Innahu, innahuma, innahum. Innaha, innahuma, innahunna. Innaka, innakuma, innakum. Innaki, innakuma, innakunna. Inni, inna. You can also say innani, innana. So it fits, brother. And so what you are doing is you are saying harfu tawqid wa nasbin, and all the pronouns that you attached, they were all mansub, coming as a ismu inna. Are you with me, brother and sister? There's a nice little poetry, and I will bring the page, and then I have made a little song out of it, and you will also join me in the song. It says, Fataho dammin. What did I say? Fataho dammin. What is the meaning of Fataho dammin? There's on Ain Kalima, there is a Fatah, and it changed into Mudariya into Dhamma. Then it says, Fataho kasrin. Are you with me? So when Ain Kalima has a Fatah, it's changed into Kasra. And then it says, Fatahatani. Two Fatahs. Madi, Ain Kalima Fatah. Mudariya, Ain Kalima Fatah. Are you with me? So inshallah, we will try to remember it. Today is the first day. Don't worry. Every day we'll practice a little bit. So it goes something like this, you know. Fatahu dammin nasara yansuru. Fatahu kasarin daraba yadribu. Fatahatani, fatahatani, fataha yaftahu. Then it goes on. But today only this much. Okay? Did it make sense to you after I explained you? If I say to you, Fatahu dammin nasara yansuru. Fatahu kasarin daraba yadribu. Fatahatani, fatahatani means there is a fatah on Ain Kalima in Madi and fatah on Ain Kalima in Mudariya. Fataha yaftahu. Okay? But today we will only do Bab Nasara. I explained to you because on your own, if you try, you will be able to understand and do it. Keep that page very handy. Okay? Inshallah. Keeping that little poem in the mind, you know. Okay? Fatuhu dammin nasara yansuru. There is one Bab. Nasara yansuru. Okay? Fatuhu dammin nasara yansuru. Fatuhu kasarin daraba yadribu. Fatahatani, fatahatani. Fataha yaftahu. Fataha yaftahu. Are you ready, brothers and sisters? Fatuhu dammin nasara yansuru. Fatuhu kasarin daraba yadribu. See, fatah change into kasra. Fatuhu kasarin daraba yadribu. fatahatani, fatahatani, fataha, yaftahu. Dammo dammin, karuma, yakrumu, twice, damma, damma. Damma here in the Madi, damma here on the, in Mudhariya, but on Ain Kalima. Dammo dammin, karuma, yakrumu. Kasro fatahin, kasro fatahin, samia yasma. We say the name of the Bab, because we will always refer to it as Bab Samia. Samia yasma. Kasaratani, jiha. Kasaratani. What is that? Hasiba yahsibu. Hasiba, this is a nice poem, brother. It is in the books. Okay, I did not make this. It is already in the grammar books. Okay. Fatuhu dammin nasara yansuru. Fatuhu kasarin daraba yadribu. Fatahatani. Oh yes. Fatahatani. Fataha yaftahu. Remember this. This is a nice poetry, brother. And if I tell you Fatahu dammin, fatahu kasrin, then it is ruha ruha. There is no flavor in it. Okay? It will not have an impact. But when you say it in a melody and you hear it, inshallah it will stay with you. Annahu, annahuma, annahum. So what is Annā? Harfu tawqīd wa nasbin. And what is hu? Ismu Annā, mansubun. Ready? Annahu, annahuma, annahum. Annaha, annahuma, annahunna. Annaka, annakuma, annakum. Annaki, annakuma, annakunna. Anni, Annā. You can also say Annani, Annana. So here's a little poetry, brothers and sisters. Inshallah, you will like it. Can you read it, brothers and sisters? Inshallah, you can read it. I put it in a song form. Inshallah, you like the song. Fi'lu madin, fi'lu amrin, mabniyani, mabniyani. Fi'lu madin, fi'lu amrin, mabniyani, mabniyani. Fi'lun mudari'un is mu'rabun. It has three kinds of moods. Fi'lun mudari'un is mu'rabun. It has three kinds of moods. It can be marfu, it can be mansub, it can be majzoom, but never majroor. It can be marfu, it can be mansub, it can be majzoom, but never majroor. Now this has got a nice beat, brothers and sisters. Inshallah, you'll follow the beat now also. Here, brothers and sisters, I'll say it one more time. Fi'lu madin, fi'lu amrin, mabniyani, mabniyani. Fi'lun mudari'un is mu'rabun. It has three kinds of moods. It can be marfu, it can be mansub, it can be majzoom, but never majroor. When the pronoun joins a noun, we get mudaf, mudaf ilayhi. When the pronoun joins preposition, we get jarun wa majrurun. When the pronoun joins a zarf, what do we get? We get zarf and mudaf ilayhi. That was in book 1. What about in book 2? Now when the pronoun joins, brothers and sisters, inna wa akhwatu inna, then that same pronoun which was majroor before, now it becomes mansoob. We got to remember, very important. When the pronoun joins inna, anna, lakinna, ka'anna, la'alla, and finally later, these pronouns are mansoob. Mansoob. Inshallah, we will remember. It's very easy, brothers and sisters. Now I am joining the pronoun with inna. And what will I say? Innahu, innahuma, innahum. Now the pronouns are mansoob. Inna, harfu tawqid wa nasbin. And the hu is a damir, which is ismu inna, mansoob. Innahu, innahuma, innahum. Innaha, innahuma, innahunna. Innaka, innakuma, innakum. Innaki, innakuma, innakunna. Inni, inna. You can also say innani, innana. No, this was inna, brother and sisters. What about lalla? Same thing. Lallahu, lallahuma, lallahum. Lallaha, lallahuma, lallahunna. Lallaka, lallakuma, lallakum. Lallaki, lallakuma, lallakunna. And then la'alli, la'allana, la'allana. Now we must do with anna also, which has come now in our lesson, brothers and sisters. Annahu, annahuma, annahum. Annaha, annahuma, annahunna. Annaka, annakuma, annakum. Annaki, annakuma, annakunna. Anni, anna. You can also say annani, annana. Inshallah you'll remember, brothers and sisters. So, fi'lu madin, fi'lu amrin, mabniyani, mabniyani. Fi'lu madin, fi'lu amrin, mabniyani, mabniyani. Fi'lun mudari'un is mu'rabun. Mu'rabun means it declines. Mu'rabun, remember this. Fi'lun mudari'un is mu'rabun. It has 3 kinds of mood. What are they? It can be marfu, it can be mansoob, it can be majzoom, but never majroor. Fi'lu madin, fi'lu amrin, mabniyani, mabniyani. Fi'lu madin, fi'lu amrin, mabniyani, mabniyani. Fi'lun mudari'un is mu'rabun. It has three kinds of mood. Fi'lun mudari'un is morabun. It has three kinds of mood. It can be marfu, it can be mansub, it can be majzum, but never majroor. It can be marfu, it can be mansub, it can be majzum, but never majroor. Inshallah you'll remember it. Alhamdulillah. When the pronoun joins a noun, we get mudaf, mudaf ilayhi. What did I say? When the pronoun joins a noun, we get mudaf, mudaf ilayhi. When the pronoun joins preposition, we get jarun wa majrurun. When the pronoun joins a zarf, what do we get? We get zarf and mudaf ilayhi. Did you get it? Inshallah.